I'm gonna do an unboxing, and I'm gonna put it together too. It's a Black Decker. It's a Dustbuster Swivel. Works really good. My son has one, so my wife wanted to get one for mainly use on furniture and in the car. But I'll put it together real quick and show you what it looks like. It shouldn't be too hard to put together, I don't think. Oh. Gotta do is put this piece of nozzle into the main base. The angle here, put it in, you'll hear it click. That's it. Let's see if it's worked. I don't know if it's charged up or not, but it comes with a little base here. Charge really easy. Just put this, set that on the base. It'll charge. It works really good. Got good suction to it. Works really good. Just dump it out like that right there. But if you're looking for a good dustbuster, good swivel, has a little brush here. You can just flip over. Just do like that right there. Like I said, this is a Black Decker Dustbuster Swivel. Looking for a good one? Check this out. And I'll leave a link in the description so you can just click on and go over to Amazon if you want to grab one. Great Christmas present.